Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the Subscriber Sunday video where subscribers send in photos of things in their yard that they're proud of. I do this video the first Sunday of every month, and if you're interested in sending in photos for this, the email address is right here, and just label the email that you send me subscriber photos or something like that. Send me the biggest files you can. Turn your phone sideways if you would. Some of the photos I got this past month were teeny tiny, and when I blow them up, it kind of distorts them, and I don't get to show off, what you guys have going on, in the best light when they get blown up like that. The rest of the month, on the Sundays, I do garden question and answer videos. All the other Sundays, if you're interested in, if you got a gardening question, you can ask it down below this video, and next Sunday I'll be doing that. One of the photos there at the beginning of the intro of the video, it has a retaining wall. There's a black dog there and a sidewalk. I did that landscape job about 25 years ago. Customer sent me the photo, so the walls held up well, sidewalks held up well. I'm going to start scanning some of my old photos, landscape jobs, and you guys will notice a theme. Maybe I'll add one every Subscriber Sunday. But like I say, you'll notice a theme. I did very rustic landscaping with all natural materials and that kind of thing. But the wall in that space looked pretty good, considering 25 years has gone by since I installed that. What else do we have going on? The March checklist video went up yesterday, and that thing, those take off pretty quick. They seem pretty popular. So if you haven't seen that, that was yesterday. Don't forget that I do a weekly landscape update every Wednesday. I try to get it up on Wednesday. Sometimes it falls over into Thursday, but I've gotten quite a bit done on this porch if you've been following along with that in the last few days, and there'll be some more plants going in. And this week I'm actually doing a tour of plants that I have planted, and maybe some of the things I've yet to put into the ground. If I don't get a chance to put them into the ground, I'll show you those as well, things that are upcoming. So that should be a pretty good video this week. I said last week that I have travel plans this spring. I'm coming to Maryland, I'm coming to Georgia, coming to Tennessee, coming to various places. I still don't know that schedule. Next Sunday on the question and answer video, I will definitely tell you that schedule, exact days when I'm coming, the times that I'm speaking, or the times that I'm there to answer questions, and that kind of thing. So I hope to see some of you during the spring season. Here are the subscriber photos that were sent to me during the month of February. Thanks everyone for participating in it, and thanks for being subscribers and following along on this new landscape job I have going on here in Raleigh, North Carolina.